What's up, Ace?
Hello.
How you doing?
Good.
All right. You have your phone?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Powered off.
Your phone is powered off.
Oh.
We're gonna give you 1 minute to turn your phone on, and the reason we're giving you 1 minute is because we think you don't know how to turn your phone on. Have you ever turned on a phone before?
I actually have.
You have? Okay.
Well, this is my new phone, so
Here we go.
I don't know if it has new features.
Ready, set, go.
I think you hold it down, the power button.
Mm-hmm.
There you go. Wow. That easy.
Is it?
9 seconds. Yeah, okay.
Oh. How you feeling?
Yeah.
You gonna get a workout?
Yes.
What did you do over there?
Throw up.
Oh. Ran hard?
Yes.
That's good, that's good. What are you working all this? What's all this for?
This workout.
I know, why?
Football season.
Yeah? You wanna be ready?
Yes. Yes, I do.
Yeah. What position you gotta play this year?
Center.
Center? How about kicker?
No, probably not.
No. Center. Quarterback? Receiver?
No.
Just center.
Yes.
How about defense?
Played some defense too.
Okay. Alright, well keep it up. It's gonna be good for you. No regrets. Right?
Yes.
Yeah. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are at the football field where Ace threw up yesterday. Football seasons. We're getting ready for football, and we have returned not to see where Ace threw up. We're gonna show you guys where he threw up, by the way. But Ace wanted to get some more work done, so we got the whole family here. The Tiger Gang is in at the football field, and we are gonna do the 40-yard dash. We're gonna do some catching and throwing. We're gonna do some workouts. So I hope you guys enjoy it. But before we get started, Ace is gonna show us where he threw up. Let's go.
Threw up right here. Right on this yellow line. Just threw up everywhere. Just threw up like crazy.
Smell it.
No, I threw up all of my teammates. Threw up all of my coach.
Why did you throw up?
I didn't throw up all of my teammates. Because I did 40-yard dash and it killed me, so I threw up.
Just one 40-yard dash and you threw up?
4.
Oh. I see. Right here. Smell it, smell it.
Ugh.
Alright, here we go. They're warming up. Supposed to be jogging. They're walking. See, where's everybody else? There's mama and baby. And, of course, Tiara's out in front. Alright, got the warm-up out of the way. It's hot today. It was pouring down rain yesterday. It is hot right now. On the field, it's hotter too. So they're gonna get some water break, and then we're gonna play some catch, and then at the end, we're gonna do the 40-yard dash. Stay tuned. We're gonna time everybody. We'll see what Ace Tiger can get. Big lineman, 12 years old. Let's see what he can get on the 40 yards. Woo, it's hot. Time to take a break. What's up? Big belly. What's up, Ace?
Hi.
Good catches out there.
No más nada.
Alright guys, it's time for that 40-yard dash time. We're gonna have Tiara, Ace, Titus, maybe even Mama Tiger. And I don't even know, the girls might do it, might not, but I'll show you guys the time. All the way through, all the way through. 7.26. $6.25. 7.99.
And then, whoa, stop.
6.38. What? Yeah, yeah.
That seemed pretty fast.
Yeah, I know. I know. Like.
Man, I'm slow. Old, fat, out of shape. Not good. Second round. Knee up. 7.18.
Whoa! No, I didn't breathe.
6.15.
Oh my god, you're still fit. You're a record. Go. 6.32. Yeah, you won.
Wait, no, I want to beat
Go. 7.29. What?
All right, we're gonna have the girls battle it out here. Ayla, Kim, 4 years old. Aria, 6.5. Here they come. Oh, who's gonna win? Go. And Aria and Ayla. Good job, girls. No, they got too much energy. Now they're running back.
My muscles just feel.
There's Ace. He worked so hard, he's throwing up again. At least he got off the field this time.
It looks like he just threw up spit. You mean feel? Oh.
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys had a good time watching Ace Tiger working hard, running, catching, stretching, getting ready for that football season. 2 days in a row he threw up. So give him the thumbs up at least for trying. I know it's not the exact time or the speed that you guys are looking for, but you know, it's the effort, it's the hard work, it is the consistency, the discipline that's gonna be result at the end. That's all that matters. So put in your hard work if you're getting ready for football. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to stay tuned because the next video we do is we're gonna go home and barbecue because it's nice sunny. We're gonna get some vitamin D. We gotta take advantage of this because you never know. Tomorrow might be a snowstorm in Washington. You just never know. So be sure to subscribe if you haven't. Hit that thumbs up. You've been around, you know what to do. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. We love all you guys. We'll see you guys next time. Always be working hard. Always believe in yourself. Never give up on your dreams. And you can do anything with God. Peace, love. Peace.